Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Valorant error 57. First, go to the folder where the game is installed. For me, it's located here. Next, open the command prompt and enter two commands, sc delete vgc and press enter. Then type sc delete vgk and hit enter again. Now navigate to the Valorant folder, usually in C.log program file stride games, and delete the VGK file. Finally, run Valorant as an administrator. Restart your PC and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.